In this cooking basics video, I'm going to show you how to make scrambled eggs. Let's get started. I'm going to use 3 eggs. I have a little bit of water, which is optional. The idea behind the water is a little bit of water will help the eggs get more fluffy because as it cooks, there's steam that's released. And the idea is it makes the eggs fluffier, but you don't really have to use water. Some people will also use milk, so use it or don't use it, up to you. And then a little bit, a couple teaspoons of avocado oil. You could use olive oil as well. All right, so let's just crack these eggs. We'll add in this water. This is 2 teaspoons of water. Don't use any more than a teaspoon of water per egg. Let's just give this a good little mix. All right, over to the burner we go. I have the heat set to medium. I'm using a good non-stick pan. This happens to be my green pan, Valencia Pro model. It's a great pan. I have a review video on this pan in case you want to check that out here on my channel. Add that oil. And we will let that heat up. All right, I'm gonna add in these eggs. And now we wanna work fairly quickly. And what we're gonna do is we will just bring the egg in from the sides like this. Okay? And then when we get a little clump, just kind of move it apart and push down like this. And then you let it cook a little bit more. And bring it in and fold it on itself and push down. And now, I do not like wet scrambled eggs. Some people do. I do not. I like my scrambled eggs to be dry. But remember that there is some residual cooking that happens after you take it off the heat. But still, I like to err on the side of more dry just because that's how I like my eggs. If you like it on the wetter side, you can take it off right now when there's just a little bit of glistening right there. That's fine if you like your eggs on the wetter side. I'm gonna go just a little bit more. Oh yeah, just like that. And we are ready to go. It is ready. And then now I can season it. I'm gonna go for a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Well, there you go. That is how I scramble eggs. There are many ways to do it. I'm Matt Taylor. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, down the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah.